Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Seville Classics large commercial heavy-duty rolling steel frame laundry hamper canvas cart bin, a versatile solution for both home and commercial use. This robust laundry hamper is crafted from 100% canvas polyester with durable canvas trim, making it perfect for transporting linens like towels, blankets, and comforters with ease. Equipped with double-layered canvas handles and 2-inch diameter PVC wheels, including 2 that lock, this mobile rolling laundry basket offers smooth gliding mobility wherever you need it. The sturdy steel wire frame construction ensures stability, even when carrying up to 100 pounds of dirty clothes, soiled sheets, and more. Ideal for hospitality businesses such as hotels, clinics, and bed and breakfasts, as well as large families, this hamper is designed for managing extra-large loads efficiently. Plus, the removable bag liner makes cleaning a breeze, ensuring your laundry routine is as hassle-free as possible. With dimensions of 18.25 inches in diameter and 27.5 inches in height, this patented design is a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their laundry process. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.